Welcome to day 10 of Sketch to Character, and today we're doing Gumball Machine. Gumball Machine is very self-conscious about their gumballs, and the conversation just gets really awkward whenever anybody asks for one, because people love gum. But the thing about Gumball Machine is, they ate all of their gumballs. Their gumballs are made of paper mache, so they don't want anyone to know that they ate their own gumballs. So the conversation just gets kind of awkward whenever anyone asks for some, and Gumball Machine just walks away. See you guys in day 11. Shout out to the comment from last episode. Stay tuned for the Sketch to Character Season 1 finale.
I have a YouTube channel too, go check that out.